Baba.
Mommy.
How the shop they go now?
Went perfect.
I want to go market now, eh?
Okay.
Come on. What's it happen here? Fresh.
Mommy.
You see any money here?
Mommy, only what I sell na tissue. I don't market money. I don't market money.
Now you don't collect any money. Why keep for you?
Mommy, I no carry money. Oh.
Fresh, yeah.
Ma.
You don't sell market today.
Mommy, wait now. I sold a tissue.
You said tissue.
Yes, mommy. That tissue, you like to buy a new.
The blood of Jesus.
How many tissue you sell?
Ma, what is this one? Ma, I sold tissue. I picked a tissue. I gave a man. Customer.
Chairman.
Yeah,
I want to buy a tissue.
Tissue.
I go hurry. I be in the haste.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Thank you, sir.
Boss, no be.
What will happen to you now, sir? If every single time you just want to argue with me, you don't get change. You don't get change. Go back. Go now.
Jesus.
Oh, you don't get change.
Yes, smoky boy.
You want argue? How much you give me for a tissue? The man left. Mama, what
wait,
now?
Wait. Make I understand something. Customer come here.
Yes.
You want buy tissue?
Yes.
You give her tissue. I mean, you give her my money.
I gave the customer a tissue. Mommy, a tissue now. Tissue was right.
The blood of Jesus.
200,000.
Mommy, take a breath for Christ. Mommy, take a breath.
Where the customer there?
Mommy, don't go.
Jesus!
You give them my market money 200K for this economy.
Alright, that mommy tissue.
Who be your mama? Don't call me your mama.
Mommy, no. Mommy.
I disown you.
Mommy.
Leave my shop.
Mommy, I saw tissue. Mommy.
I love your mother. Come on, my shop.
Mommy, I saw tissue.
My shop.
Mommy, see that?
Leave my shop. I disown you.
I gave the person tissue.
I disown you.